Good morning everybody, I'm KarasuKun. Welcome to my studio. I'm a craftsman and VTuber from Hong Kong. This tutorial will guide you on how to sew the cat mouse toy I designed. If you want to make this cat toy by yourself, welcome to buy this sewing pattern or sewing kit from my online store. Also, I would be grateful if you like this video and subscribe my channel. First, cut the pattern along the outer frame. Use the fabric marker pen to draw the side pattern on the fabric. Remember to mark the position of the eye and ear stitch line. Flip the pattern and draw a symmetrical section. Draw the button side pattern. Mark the front center point and back center point. Cut out the fabric pieces along the drawn lines. Using 4 threads, stitch the eyes onto the marked eyes positions. Draw the pattern for the 2 ears on the leather fabric and cut them out. Fold the earpiece into a small dot and sew or stitch it onto the marked ear position. All of the following sewing process can be done by hand stitching. Tie a knot in a piece of cotton rope to make a mouse tail. Sew the unknot side of the cotton rope to the center back of the button piece. Cut a 1-inch piece of elastic band. Skip this step if you don't need to strap the mouse to the stick. Sew the cut elastic band to the center front point of the button piece. Place the 2 side pieces face to face and sew along the 1/4 inch inside of the curve. On the straight edge of the sewn side piece, mark a notch approximately every 7 millimeters. Align the back center point of the 2 fabric pieces and sew a short section together. Leave a hole approximately 1.5 centimeters long and continue sewing until it connects to the previous stitch. Turn it out through the hole we just left. Now we can start suffering with the fiber fill. You can use a tweezer to assist. When it is half full, stuff the catnip pouch inside. Then we can continue filling. After the filling is completed, suture the hole. Thread the lobster clip through the elastic band. Skip all the following steps if you don't need to strap the mouse to the stick. Cut the two ends of the elastic band pointed, so that can be threaded into the holes of the wooden stick. Tie the elastic band in the knots to secure it. Join it with the mouse, and it's done.